How to find private key in Phantom Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through on how you can find up your private key in Phantom Wallet. So if you are also wondering on how you can do that, these are the processes you may follow up and you should be able to find your private key in Phantom Wallet as well. So finding the private key on Phantom Wallet is super easy. You just need to follow up the process. Head over and open up your Phantom Wallet application or device and just log in into your account. Once you're logged in into your account, you can look up for your account. Like if you have more than one account, you can just choose up the account from where you want to find the private key. For example, this account right here. So once you've selected your account, you can find this pen icon right beside your account. You can just go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will be taken to the space. So on the space, on the very last option, you can find show private key. That is where you will be finding the private key of your Phantom Wallet. So you can just go and tap on it and you will tap on its continue process, and then you will be finding your private key after you have continued with the process. So that is how you find up your private key on your Phantom Wallet as well. Just follow the process that I showed on my screen right now. And that is it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and if you have got any comments, you can just drop them down below. And thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.